Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. See, there's already attacks going on over in the Middle East. Markets are down a little bit, trying to pop up here at the moment. So we'll see how it all shakes out. And don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, good time to go smack that lucky like button, which I'm going to do it myself to see who I can beat on the like counter. Let's see. Hey, why don't we click the video? Oh, bam. I'm going to be the first one. Bink. Number one. Numero uno. All right, slackers. You guys let me beat the first one on the like counter. Shame, shame, shame. All right, let's see. So I do have a micro position on here at the moment as well. So let's go ahead and look at that real quick. Hey, Elevated Life, what's up? What's up? I've already took in two small little scalps here around the open, and then I got this MES trade on as well. I started off with two, added one. So we'll see how it all shakes out. We can see that. Here's what I got in two, added one, trying to move back up. And if you look, yeah, hiccups. I'm trying to basically target right around this point of control right here. At least with two of the contracts. If we get above that, I might try to shoot the other one up towards the runner target. I don't know how I feel about that yet. Not really sure how I feel about this for the runner target. Now we got to get the first two targets off first. So we still got a little ways to go before we make it up there. But if we can make it up there, I'll be pretty darn content with that for myself. So we'll see how this is all going to shake out here this evening. So fun. Got some movements already in Asia. I know Asia truly don't start till 8 o'clock, but you got to be careful. Here's what else we got to be careful about, right? Look over here. Nikkei is going to open here in about a minute. The Kospi is also going to open here in about a minute. So we need to see if they're going to push the markets down or not. So we need to pay attention to see what they are going to be doing. You know, go ahead and slam this position right down on me. We do have a 9 count right here on the NASDAQ. ES also has a 9 count. We have the opening price up here at 75.57. Hey, Spaces, good evening. So we'll see how this is all going to shake out. Hopefully we can push up towards that point of control on the 30-minute chart. We just came back towards the VWAP. So if you notice, NASDAQ was down here near the second band. Boom, rejection right back towards the VWAP. As expected, we look at the ES. Right here, down by second band, reclaimed VWAP. But we do have the Asia markets open in here in just a moment. All right, it's 8 o'clock. Let's see how the Asia markets are going to open up. Bottom left. This is just Delta down here. It's a free indicator you can get. Let me type in the chat. You can download it from the NinjaTrader ecosystem. It'll only work if you have lifetime license to Ninja, or if you're trading with NinjaTrader Prop, it'll work. I didn't code it. I found it in the NinjaTrader ecosystem. So it's not something I made or anything. But let's go check real quick. How did Nikkei open up? Nikkei down a little bit, down 326. The Kospi right now is down 38. So not a big flush at the open at the moment. Oh, hey, not a problem. So you see, we're almost right back to the opening price. Almost back there. Can we go ahead and push? I see a big, nasty rip up. Tomorrow's CPI, so we got to be careful. Tomorrow's going to be a big one. It's going to be a big one. So we shall see. And to see this go ahead and go up there and hit my first two targets. The last target I might try to focus on will be this minus development area-ish of the profile. And I'm kind of curious, now that we've already had the push down in Asia, or tonight. Yeah, look, that comes in right between the 50 and 61.8 fib level too. So we'll see if I can actually hold out for that. Yeah, Raphael, let's make some money. I'm with you on that. So if the market doesn't just, rip right back down and take my lunch money. So far tonight, not starting off too shabby. As long as this trade participates with me, I'll be all right. So I do want to be on the lookout for articles about anything going on in the Middle East. And speaking of the Middle East, we can't talk about the Middle East without looking at oil. Hey, what's up, Captain? So oil's been kind of grinding up here a little bit, starting to pull back just a smidge. On the 30-minute chart, it looks like oil could pull back towards 77.23 to about 72.06, and then next, past that would be 75.32. Oil pulls back, that should be favorable for stocks, because that would probably imply that, things aren't escalating too much over there. Starting to simmer here a bit. So wait and see. I got something in my eye. Bitcoin's up $12. Gold's down 1.8, not much. So gold tonight, not really moving too much at the moment. What about silver? Not a big movement in silver yet either. So what are you guys thinking about CPI tomorrow? Actually, let's do a poll real quick. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I hear him taking it back down. All right, just submitted the poll. CPI pop or drop. See what you guys think. So, I've been killing it. I'm not up that much tonight. Not up very much. Our micros are about to be. Our micros are underwater now. Underwater over here. There's the entries on the micros. Put 2 on there, put 1 down here. Now I'm back down. I do want to go see if I'm going to be down here. Yeah, look at Nikkei. Nikkei's starting to sell off here a little bit. Kospi selling off, which I kind of thought they might. Hey, BK, what's up? Yeah, I don't trade silver myself. I do not trade silver. No. Not for me. So oil's starting to go back up. Hold on. Hold up. Oil's on the move back up right now as well. So I'm looking to make sure we have no headlines. So easy up, easy right back down. And look at the Kospi. Kospi taking out lows. Nikkei taking out lows. Now short term on the NASDAQ. We are back down here being oversold. And we had low of the day right there on the ES. NASDAQ's a little bit further away. See if we can get a little pop right here. Come on. I like it better when it's going up. Got a feeling it's going to get me. Yeah, it got me. All right, that one got me. That kind of stinks. That kind of stunk. I want to play it off that oversold area. So I don't mind it. I would take that trade again. I still don't see any headline news that just came out. Let me get one more shot here in a moment. Yeah, CL keeps going up. Man, that got me twice now. All right, so I went green to red so far tonight. I see low of the day right below us. Right there, that red line. Let's see if we're going to sweep it one more time. We do have a little bit of liquidity down here on the NASDAQ. 262.5. 314 contracts. Yeah, everyone's trying longs. Yeah, me too. Dang it. Hit my target before I could even friggin' move it. That's garbage. Let's go back and pull this fib real quick. Now, right there at the 61.8, so I like that. And look, of course you're going to start going up. You stupid. Well, you know what? You want to play that game. What I'm thinking about doing. I'm not doing it yet. Not yet. But I'm thinking about it. Maybe trying to play this area down here with some M&Qs. Already got some MESs on. And on the MES, if you look right up here, we do have some liquidity. So let's watch this area up here tonight. 72-ish. Will act as a magnet, maybe. So. Nikkei still making lows. Kospi. Kospi's down 2.47%. Nikkei's down 1.19%. Yeah. And Q at 29,000 overnight. Yeah, we might. It's only 300 points away. We very well could. The tensions aren't simmering down over in the Middle East. So NASDAQ right now is down 138. 140-ish. Oh, what am I doing? Ooh. I almost just thought I was going to put some micros on and almost hit the NQ. I was on the wrong chart. That would have sucked. I didn't put them on yet. I caught myself right before I was getting ready to. But I like this area if we are going to bounce. If we're not, it could get ugly. Wow, look at Nikkei. Nikkei's down 939 now. Let's see if we can get a little bounce here. See if we can get a little bounce. I'm going to play some M&Qs here at the moment. I got 2 on. Hopefully this doesn't get too ugly on me. I just put them on right there. And I'm going to see. Let's see where I want to take these to. 488. 20 control. I don't know if we'll make it there tonight while we're on stream. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, right, Sods? 3 streams in one day. I didn't plan to do 3, but here we are. We're in it now. Man, my price scale is so much lag in the candles. The candles are lagging the price scale. I don't know if you guys can see this. Look, here's price. Hey, look at the candles. They're just lagging. They're not matching. Part of the new Ninja update. Hey, Bob, what's up? What's up? You been offline? Oh, boy. Where'd that line come from? There you go. Look at that. Now, if we can get this NASDAQ to go up a little bit more, these M&Qs, I am in the MES right now too, so I got a hot mess going. MES, I was up on it pretty good. I'm down. MES, I'm trying to play towards that point of control at 64. And on the M&Q, I'm trying to play it towards that 488. If we hit 488, wow, I'm up pretty good on this sucker now. Wow. Hey, here's these M&Qs. Yeah, I could close them and be right back at session highs, or I could have. Oh man, Bob, I can't stand internet issues. Not fun. But coming right back to the opening price, I'm liking this. I liking it. Remember, 488 is going to be that point of control. I likes it for the retest. And here is the low today. Look, we broke below that low. We talked about this in the end of the stream this afternoon. We broke below it. We're getting back above it. What did I say? Point of control or value low could be target 1. Well, we already hit that earlier tonight. Then the next target would be 488 would be the point of control. So we'll see. Now, tomorrow morning, I am going to have to cut the stream short, probably like today. We got another errand I have to run. And tomorrow afternoon, I probably won't be able to stream. So tomorrow night, we'll probably be streaming at nighttime as well. So We'll see. Any duck races tonight? If you guys can get the light counter up enough. I don't know. We'll see if you guys get the light counter up enough to motivate me. We'll do a duck race. Hey, so just to put this in perspective, so we might only have 45 people in here right now, but yeah, it's been at least 105 through here. People coming on. So we'll make it beneficial for everybody. 250 likes, and we'll do a duck giveaway. Take profit trader account giveaway. Actually, where's my hat at? I don't know where my hat's at. I don't have that hat with me right now. Hey, TF, good evening. So again, if I get out my M&Qs, I could be up for the night. I already went green to red once tonight. I think I was up 300 when we started the stream, 312, 3 something. Went red a little bit, and then got one small winner for $100. And then I am still currently down $7.50, but I do have this one up right now at about 350. And I had the MES trade going at the same time. So MES is up about 50. Let's see if we make it a good night. See if we can make it a great night. Just need to push it on up. Now, I do want to go see the Nikkei and stuff real quick. Oh, yeah, I see the Nikkei kind of rejected off that low. What about Cosby? Cosby's trying to reject off the low as well. So let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see if we can push up. Where's that second deviation bands at? To the upside, if we look at the VWAP second deviation bands, on the ES, it's about 75.61, which is just below that point of control. And on the NASDAQ, it's going to be 468. Right here. So can we make it up there? Keep in mind, the point of control that I really want on the NASDAQ is at 488. So I'll be looking to exit my micros around 488. We just got back above the opening price right here. That golden line right there is the opening price at 6 o'clock. Let's see. Can we get that 488? Come in once, come in twice. Can we get it? Let's just see a big blast off. So NASDAQ still down 29. It was down 100 and something. Yes, down 8.75. Dow down 98. Russell down 5.5. Ooh, we're coming up on the high of the day. See high of the day here in the NASDAQ. So 479 is high of the day. I'm trying to get out around 88. So I'm trying to get out here around 88, near that point of control right there. Let's see, right there. Yeah, oil will be active tonight. Yeah. They got it zinging around over in the Middle East right now. Let's see, 488. Come in once, come in twice. Can we get it? All right, here's the micros. I'm getting ready to exit. I'm going to take one off just to be safe. So I got one out. I'll take the other one off here in a moment. Make sure my hotkeys are going to work. Screw it. I'm going to get out. I don't like the little wick on that candle. So I exited the NASDAQ trade. I still think 488 is going to be in the cards. It does put me back at session highs now. So now I still have the MES trade on. So MES, I'm still in, up $91. Hey, Total Dork, what's up? Good evening. Good evening. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. 250 likes. We'll do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway. I'm trying to come back down here. And let's just go look. I need to pay attention. You know, does the Cosby and Nikkei come back down? If the Cosby and Nikkei can both firm up, there's a good chance that we bounce up a little bit higher tonight. And on the ES, I really like this liquidity up here. 70 up here to about 73. I likes it a lot. I likes it a whole lot. So we'll see if we can make it. And yeah, I got my eyes on financial juice. See if we see any headline news coming out. Yeah, moving a little bit faster tonight, Bob, for sure. So far, now don't jinx it. If it starts slowing down, we know who to blame. We can blame Bob. So. Hey, we did go down at TF. We did go down at first tonight. We went down and then now we try to come back up. All the indices are still in the red. All 4 of our indices are in the red anyways. So. So I lost on 2 NASDAQ trades, 1 on the third one. Then made back everything I was down on the M&Q. And now the MES is back in the red. Man, MES was up pretty good. Back down in the red on the MES. But max range tonight into tomorrow, 30,536 to 28,573. It seems heavily weighted to the downside, Raj. USD still moving up. Yeah. Let's go see DXY. Yeah, dollar's trying to move up. Yields on the move up as well. I'm coming here. Yeah, we got earnings in the morning. We have a lot of banks out with earnings tomorrow morning. So before the bell, we have Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. So we got some earners coming out tomorrow. And we look at the expected movers this week. Tomorrow, Fast is going to move up or down 6% expected. Then Goldman Sachs plus or minus 5. Oh, you know what's weird? They have Wells Fargo and Citi after the bell. Why is it after the bell over there? Over here, they have it before the bell. Hey, does anybody know which one's right? On that, I'd assume it's before the bell. For Wells Fargo and Citigroup. Over here, they have it in the after the close. Yeah, ASML, I'm going to be watching that on Wednesday. Then we got Taiwan Semiconductor on Thursday. Netflix. I feel like we had another big one on Thursday, too. No, it must have been Netflix. All right, here are the sellers. Here are the sellers on the tape. Pushing it down pretty good here. Let's see. Oil's on the move up. Hey, so if we go look at crude oil, this little push down is crude oil rocketing up again. And what's that doing? Pushing Nikkei back down. Kospi's on the move back down as well. And crude oil is back above 80. So crude oil is taking out session highs as we speak. Clicking and knocking noise is Bookmap is correlated with the ES and NASDAQ. I have it set to minus 81, positive 81. So if we get above it, you start hearing the noise at the pace in which the orders are coming in. So to downside, you hear knocking. Upside, you hear chirping. The way I use it, let's say you're in a short position, we're going down. You hear it start slowing down. Good chance to either tighten up stops, exit, or look for a counter trend reversal trade. And just flip that same concept on the upside. Thanks for entertainment as you drive across Colorado. Oh, man. John's having all the fun tonight. Hey, John, how long is it going to take you to drive across Colorado? No, it's once the threshold gets over it. So once the threshold gets over positive 81 or minus 81, then you start hearing the sounds click in, because I could make it where it's constant. If we go to, I'll show you real quick. It's funny, now I'm trying. What's going on here? So if I come over here to the market pulse window, you see right here, I have it set at 81. Look, if I move it down to like 2 or 3, it's going to be constant. Look, you can see the little meter right here. See how close the white lines are? That's too close for me. I don't want to hear it all the time. So then now you can see the white lines right here. So it's adjustable however you want it. I like it at 81. I like to hear it as we're coming towards the end of the move. Look at the order flow coming through Big Tech. Now, if the ES is going up, NASDAQ is going down, we're not going to be pushing up. They both have to be correlated to push the meter above that. So let's look at the aggression of the buy and sell orders coming in. Hey, Trading Game, good morning. Hey, Trading Game, where are you at? Where are you located at? The 81 I put is just how sensitive you want it. Like if I had it at 1, you'd hear every order that came in. So 81 is just a sensitivity setting. On India, nice. So it's pretty cool about internet. We see people from around the world. We get to meet on this place called the internet. Oil's up there pretty good tonight too. Yeah, oil's still here at session highs. Gotta be a little careful there. Yeah, the DXY and CL pumping. CL for sure is gonna cause a problem. DXY yields going up. Not good. We'll see if the banks can help lift the stocks tomorrow. And we have the CPI coming out. Yeah, I don't know the gist in between it. I didn't make it. I did not make the indicator myself. It's part of Bookmap. So I don't know how all the intricacies work. I just know how to use it. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, attempt to reclaim opening price. I need to go up. I need the ES to go, or MES to go up. I am currently down on the MES. I've been up on it, been down on it. Down about $36, $40 on it right now. So still long from this morning. Ugh. Hey, JD, what are you long on? Yeah, until break even. Nice. Socks? Oh boy. Hey, like the socks or the socks? SOX, yeah, you got clobbered a little bit. Oh, socks. Okay. All right. VIX isn't open tonight. If Nikkei and the Kospi starts tanking, we gotta be in trouble. I'm gonna be in trouble. Trying to figure out a good entry. I'm hoping we go up towards this point of control. Right here. There's my target. I'm already in with some micros. So on those micros, ideally I'd like the target right here and then right here. So 75, 64 to about 78 to 81. You went all in? Oh boy. If Cosby squeezes though, yeah, it could. Cosby is down pretty good last night. 8 something percent. We're trying to come back down as we speak. We got to find a way to get this oil down. Can't get the oil down. It's going to be a problem. I'm trying to come down here. Trying to come down a little bit more here. Short term, we got to be oversold. You can see the green background right here. So, can they get it? Can they pop it back up? Regression channel right now is still sloping upward for the time being on the NASDAQ and on the ES. ES is a little bit closer towards low of the night though. Are you alone or short the ES? You mean long? I'm long the MES. So MES right here. Down $62, $70 in it. Only got 3 on it at the moment. Yeah, I got 3 on it at the moment. 3 long. And this is a trade I would go to bed with. If it's not filled tonight, I'll go to bed with that trade on. I'm not worried about it. Now, tomorrow might be a different story. I might be worried about it when I wake up, but 3 contracts isn't a big deal for me. We're trying to rip up here as we speak. I really hope that, I really want to see 63 on the ES. So see if we can go ahead and get it ripping. Yeah, CPI is tomorrow at 8:30. Should be a big one. And we got bank earnings coming out tomorrow before the bell too. And we have Wash testifying tomorrow. So good old Wash. Mr. Task Force. If we look, I think it's tomorrow and this over there. So look, Tuesday. Yeah, Wash is going to be speaking at 10 a.m. Then on Wednesday, I think too. Yeah, Wednesday, Wash is going to be testifying as well. So 2 days of Wash, 2 days of Mr. Task Force to deal with. Hospital's trying to get up. It's only down 10 points. Nikkei's down 487 still. Need them to firm up for my MES trade. So NASDAQ is above the VWAP. ES is still below it. VWAP's at 49.5 right now in the ES. So, hey, Neo, what's up? What's up? Good evening. You know, I'm half tempted to take some micros on this NASDAQ again. I did. I just put another micro. I put 1 micro on the NASDAQ. And I'm going to go ahead and look to play. We still never hit my target at 488. So I'm going to start off with 1 micro here. I will add to this. I'm planning on adding to it. So if I do go down on it, I will be adding to it. I'll be looking to get out around 488. So that trade does hit. That'll be a pretty decent little trade. Again, nothing's guaranteed. I mean, it could take my lunch money in a heartbeat. Oil's up $2 as we speak. I've traded at night forever. Going back to at least 07, 08. I was trading at night. I've been trading Asia. I just don't always stream it. I used to stream it every night. But we'll see if they can push it. Push it. Push it. Oh, going back to 100. Hey, JD, hopefully not until I go short. Or not JD, that's Rapid. Man, I thought that was JD that typed that in. I'm still down on the MES, down 17 bucks. On my MNQ, I'm up a whopping $4. I was. I'm trying to take this to 488. So again, in case you guys want to know where that target comes from, those of you that are new on the stream, 488 right here, the untested point of control. Woo! Hey, Rapid, you scared me for a minute. Hey, Trader 007. We said Trump makes a address. I was like, oh, crap. He was talking about 9 o'clock. But then you said Thursday. I was like, all right, it's Thursday. Scared me for a moment. Now sending troops in invasion of Iran. Yeah, I don't know if he'll do that. Ross thinks it won't be until the fall. 55 puts in oil. Let's see at 88. I'm probably gonna close out this micro MNQ unless we get a fast squeeze through it. Then maybe I'll hold it till 548. But more likely than not, I'm gonna close it at 488 unless we just go blazing through it. If it's like a fast move through it, I'll try to hold out for a little bit more. My MES trade is currently in the green. Let's go. Let's go. So 488, can we get it? And the way our markets are moving, I feel like the Kospi Kospi is up. And Nikkei is on the move up. Kospi's up. Nikkei's down to 65. That's not much. I wish I would have put 2 MNQ on now. I'm going just before you, 844. Oh no, 844. Now I'm trying to get out 488. Is where I said I was gonna get out of that MNQ. So MNQ, I was looking to get out 488. At least I think that's 4. I said, unless I looked at it wrong. Hold up. Yeah, 488. That point of control. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. NASDAQ is coming up near the high of the day too. Here's high of the day right there at 79. So we're pretty close to it. Let's see if they can quit being scaredy pants. Oil's trying to come down here a little bit. So if you look at CL, yeah, crude oil's getting a little bitty pullback. Bank of Korea to raise base rate to 2.75% at July 16th meeting. All right. Oil's gonna tank. Yeah, hey, BK, I was actually watching that. Good eye on that. So BK says NASDAQ's close to that second deviation band. I was actually watching that out of the corner of my eye right up here. So I know I'm being greedy, looking for a little bit more. Not to say we can't push past it, but I am being a little bit greedy. I like that point of control. We're so close. I really want to get it. Yeah, not a huge trade for me on this MNQ. ES is not even at the first deviation band yet. So again, we get to 88. I may look to hit the close over here on the micro. Oh man. Hey Neo, I can't stand when we have platform issues while trying to trade. Can't stand that. I think NASDAQ just made session highs. Look, NASDAQ did make session highs right over here. We didn't hit the 88 yet. So we did not hit 88, so I'm not closing it yet. I am a little bit worried. We're at the second deviation band. we get smacked back the other way. So I'm kind of playing with fire here at the moment. Fire. Oh, I gotta move this back. All right, you gotta hit that ADF. It wants to blast right through it. I don't want to target there just in case we want to get a fast rip through it. I want to be able to get a little bit more just in case it wants to squeeze. I know we're a little bit high up on the bands, but we hit 87.5. You know, that's gonna be close enough for me. I'm gonna take the profit. I'm gonna take it off. For me, we're close enough towards that target right there at 88. Come back after you reboot. All right, Neo. Yeah, hey, JD, we could. First target on the rotation, though, is 488. So if you're playing the rotation up, BK, I want my stop loss, you know, round value or low or at break even. Ideally, if you're playing the rotation up, target 1, target 2, the structure breakdown point. And then we have the P point up here we can use for a target 2, 618. So I don't mind that either. So look, target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4, then target 5 at 702. We get back down below value or low, though, we got to be careful. Because we've already retested. We closed below value or low, but then we came right back up, right off the rip tonight, hit that area. So yes, we still have that point of control at 64. The ES just is not wanting to budge to get up there. DK coming back down a little bit. Cosby still up 26. Bands will expand. Hey, Raj, hopefully just get a small little retracement and then rip back up through the bands again. Think the market's pricing a bad CPI? I don't know. We'll know tomorrow. We will know tomorrow. We have earnings out tomorrow too. So, I mean, are they really going to tell us the truth? All right, right back down to opening price. Look, there's a 9 count right here at the highs too. So I'm not really mad about that entry. And then look, here's the bands. Look, right off that second deviation band that BK was talking about. Hey, what about the second deviation band? Look, that's right where we're at. Whoop, getting a little rejection back down. Yeah, I probably would have played that for the short if I wasn't in the MES long. So I don't want to root for the market to go down when I'm currently in a long. So I held off on that short. It would have been a quicker little scalp short to me, probably down towards the first band at 442. Oh, we almost hit it actually. We hit. Oh, we did. We hit 442. Son of a gun. We did hit that second band or the first band. I need that MES just to keep on rocketing. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, definitely want to be careful of spreads. Hey, and on the ES, we still have this wall of liquidity up here. Right up here. So it starts about 69.5 up here to about 73.25. Could act as a magnet. I don't know if we go up there, if we'll make it all the way up there, but may act as a magnet and then we come close and then start turning back down. It's kind of what I'm thinking here at the moment. Think the EOS will go there tonight? Hey, oil's pulling back. Oil's only up $1.79. Only. Cosby back down 28. Look at Earl. A small little pullback in oil. We need a bigger one. All right, right back to the opening price on the NASDAQ. Need to get that ES cooking to the upside. What's going on here, folks? What is going on? Say it ain't so. Hey, what's up? What's up? Good evening and welcome. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Just go ahead and go bink. VWAP's at 406. Do we make it all the way down to VWAP? MES back underwater, down 28 bucks. Yes, is really having a hard time, holding above the VWAP. Look at it. Yes, we get above it, smack down. Get above it, smack down. Above it, smack down. Wick, 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 boom, back down. So having a hard time here at the moment. Oh, Paul sent another report card. Let's go check. Let's go looky looky. Oh, nice. Good deal. Trying to bring it down here. Trying to get me long on this NASDAQ again, I think. Not yet. Here's Paul's report card real quick. Let's go see. Two accounts tonight, one up 234, one up 1621. Oh man. Hey Paul, good deal on that. Nice. Love it. Love seeing people do well. All right, let's go look. What's oil? Oil's not really moving right now. Nikkei back down 663. Cosby down 72. Yeah. Short term, we came into being oversold again. And we're right around the VWAP right here on the NASDAQ. I'm going to nibble on one right here. I'm going to nibble on one M&Q. I'm going to see if I can rip it back up towards session highs. Maybe if things get crazy with it. All the way towards the bottom of that zone. So 551 maybe. That might be a fantasy at this point. But here's the one M&Q I just put on. It's up 20 on it right now. Not much. Yeah, I'd love to be able to make it all the way up to here. I think that might be a little far-fetched for tonight's stream, though. Might be worth holding overnight, though. Let's see. That would be a little more than $200 if it hit. If we hit all the way up here, it'd probably be about 240-ish maybe. If we can get up there. Yeah, white boy, what's up? Good evening. Don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Well, the 484, you have clear runner to 680. 680. Hey, Paul, how do you get the 680 number? I see 618 for the P point. I don't see any structure around 680. At least not on the 30-minute chart from today. I don't see it. Oh, man. Hey, is anybody else trading with Rhythmic? I don't have any Rhythmic accounts myself. I have all Tradevate. Does anybody having issues with Rhythmic? Hey, Neo, what prop firm are you with? Oh, your proprietary levels? All right. All right, we're back here to the opening price. Let's see, can they rip it up? My MQ trade's working out, 51 bucks up at the moment. And just small little scalps with Apex. Oh, there you go, Neo. White Boy says he's using Rhythmic on Apex, no problem. That's not reassuring. Hey, Neo, what's the error? What error are you getting? Oh, speaking of the 1 day minute max, you're still out here from today. I don't think they've updated. Oh, yeah, Paul's right. We're way below it. Hey, Paul, you were right when we talked on the phone earlier. We're way below it. I don't know why I was thinking we weren't. The ES was below it too. Slacker on my part. See, when you get this market to keep on lifting up and away. Let's get it. Push it, push it, push it. Oh, I gotta drop that. Let's see. If you guys do want to see a video on how to trade order flow and FVGs, I'm gonna leave it in the pinned comment section. There you go. Marcus got a one-way sign written all over it. All right, Cosby's trying to pop back up. Nikkei's still up, down, still down 431. Trying to get a little bullish candle. We can get the Cosby and Nikkei to start popping up. It would be pretty good. Specifically for the footprint chart. I got one on the footprint chart. Hey, Patriot. That one hasn't changed. Let's see if I can find it. I didn't change my settings on that. I can't find it. That's not it. We're going to retest 29,333. But hey, Paul, hopefully we don't fail there. Hopefully we go up, at least for the sake of my micro trade. We need to keep on push. Minimum I want on that micro trade is going to be right back up here towards that point of control. But I really want to try to take it to the bottom of this zone right here. Or I want to take it. Candle. Actually, I need that zone's a little bit off. Yeah. Actually, so the bottom of that zone is actually 542. All right, new session highs on the NASDAQ. No, not yet. We're almost there. NASDAQ's actually green for the night. First indice to get green. Let's get it. Then see if we can get the, I'm still in the MES too. MES to 75.64. It's right over here. Oh yeah, back at second deviation band already, Raj. Dang it. We keep hitting that bad boy too. Hit it, bam, smack down. Hit it, smack down. Hit it. Hopefully we don't smack down again. Hopefully this time we push through it. So I'm looking for about 540 on that micro. 540-ish on them. I might bail a little bit early, but ideally that's where I'd like to take it. The quicker we can get there, the better, in my personal opinion. All right, so Kospi's back up, 24 points. Nikkei's only down about 253. All right, keep on pushing. Again, 540-ish what I'm looking for. 540-ish, bottom of that zone. I'll jump out early, but my destination's 540. Maybe I get out at 520, 525, 530, somewhere up there. Come on. Need the ES to go up about another 7 points, 8 points. And get out of that. That'll make for a decent night. Very decent night. Yeah, ES hasn't hit the second band yet. Be greedier at 600. You know what they say, Paul? The greedy become the needy. I'm not looking to become the needy. I'd rather get my little base hit and put the monies in my pocket and run. So catch me if you can. So here we are above that second deviation band. Makes me a little bit nervous. Hopefully go up to a third now. Third deviation band's at 516. So if we're going to go up to where I wanted to go to, we're probably going to have to pull back a little bit, then work our way up. Not a fan of that. You got to push it, push it. Took the risk, go for the reward. Yeah. One way to look at it, but I'd rather, get on base. So if you hit base hits in the NBA, MLB, you're going to get put in the Hall of Fame. Trying to swing for a home run, you may not get there. Getting on base will pay the bills. Keep the JOB away. 9 count in the 1 minute. NASDAQ doesn't have it yet. We're on bar number 8 right now. Yes, is on bar number 8 now as well. MNQ, I don't have it yet either. It's coming up though. We're going to try to form that 9 count probably. All right, there's bar 8. So this is working on bar 9 as we speak. And on the NASDAQ, we're right here at session highs. 2 session highs. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous where we are in the bands. What do you guys think? Should I take it? I really want 540, but man, look at where we are in the band. So the third deviation band's at 516. Man, I gotta take it. I think if I don't, I'm being greedy. I want to see if we get a pullback. So if we look right here, here's what scares me. 516 is right here. Third deviation band. Let's see if we can pull back. And then I'll look to get long gain. I'll probably just rip without me, but that's fine. I got to take the safer bet, put money in the piggy bank. I really want that 542, but let's see if we pull back. The MES is firing off pretty good right now too. So point of control on the ES is at 64.5. So I'm just kind of smothered right around there. Actually, what I'm going to do is move that. Mark off where my average price is. And there's a 525 on the NASDAQ. Son of a beep. Got a big target below us. Oh boy, just trying to scare me out of my trade here. All right, just to do the smart thing, I'm going to close one out. So I just dropped down to 2 contracts now. I'm going to take one more off. So now I'm down to 1 contract on this MES. Starting to get extended. I can see over here on the NASDAQ, we're coming into that zone. I really want to target. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to be greedy. Let's just take it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I don't want to be greedy. Let's take it while I have it. Take it while I have it. All right, so that puts me up 893 for the night. Hey, most of that money was made with the micros. That's pretty funny. So I was up 300 when we started the stream. I lost it with MNQ. Or I lost it with NQ. Got it back with the MNQ and MES. They made new session highs. Fantastic. Hey, we did hit that third band over here on the NASDAQ. This was scaring me out of that NASDAQ trade earlier. I want to see, can we get a little bit of a pullback? Then maybe resume the move back up to the target I'm looking for. Oil right now is only up $1.73 at the moment. So I'll see, can we get a little pullback, and then I'll look to go long and try to push up a little bit higher. See if we can come right here to the structure breakdown point. So the bottom of that's going to be about 549. Top of that will be about 589, and then the P point at 618. That's my next additional targets to the upside. Next additional targets. And the ES still has not hit that point of control yet at 64, which is what I was gunning for. Good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button, guys and gals. Can you do it? Come back to 485, 484, you reload. Yeah, I'm looking for a pullback, Paul. We get a pullback. I'm probably going to look to go long. See if I can play that little move up. Maybe, maybe not. And again, we'll see. We'll see how it all shakes out. Maybe it works. Maybe it does not. No soliciting sign. Hey, the ES did make it to the second deviation band too. The NASDAQ made it to the third. ES at the second. So I got to be careful. I don't want to go long right here, just in case we get a pullback. It could squeeze up higher, but you know, if we play probability wise, makes sense if I want to be long to wait for a pullback. Stock set in 407. So I've already had a pretty good run on the move up. Now, I just wish I had a little bit more size on those trades after the fact. Bob says up 147-ish across all accounts. Done for the night. Done for the day. Time for popcorn, movies, and some night and some sleep. Hey, good night, Bob. Have a good night. Good job on your trading tonight. Congrats. So NASDAQ is the only one of the four indices in the green, up 45 points. And let's go double check. What do we have on the Nikkei is up 95 now. Nice strong push on the Nikkei. Hey, Kospi's up 112. I'm liking that. I'm liking it. All right, NASDAQ, we're getting a little bit of a pullback. That's what we were warning about, being up here so high on the bands. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback. Oh, hey, JD, good night. Can we get a little bit of a pullback? Then pick up the bat and be like, blink. Hope it doesn't come back and hit us right between the eyes. Please, please. Paul saying 901 algo. And Paul, at first I thought when I see 901, you're calling for the 901 price point. I was like, good night. Another 400 points almost. That'd be pretty beast mode. Hey, so what's the range? Let's look at the ranges real quick. So NASDAQ, we've had a range of 209 points. S&P, 23 point range. Nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy there. 510 pullback. Yeah, I need to see a pullback so I can re-engage some of these micros. Most nights I go to sleep with a few micros on. Most nights, not every night, but I say more times than not. We'll see if tonight is going to be a little bit of the same. I'd be mindful though, because tomorrow we do have the CPI data coming out. NASDAQ's coming up trying to push through the highs again. Dang it. NASDAQ's going to make it to that zone I wanted. That zone I wanted, but That's fine. I put money in the piggy bank, so I'm okay with it. Just let it rip. Oil now is only up $1.49, so oil's on the move down. So let's go look. Oil's going down. We have the Nikkei and Kospi going up. Oil's trying to come back down toward the bottom of this widespread candle right here. About 79.31. Yeah, it's over 30 points lower. Yeah, I'm not messing with it. I gotta get that thought out of my head. Stop it. I was almost thinking about shorting it. Not doing it. I'm hoping for a pullback. I don't know if we get one. I'm hoping. I gotta wait for a pullback now. I caught the move up. I need to see a pullback. We're elevated up in the bands, which typically is an area where we can get a pullback. So now I just gotta wait. Every price bar on the candle isn't a place for me to place a trade. As much as I want to, it's gonna pain me if we just see the market keep ripping up through the highs and keep ripping and ripping and ripping and ripping. But at the same time, I'm up for the night. So last thing I want to do is get in a bad spot and then give back what I've already made. Oh, you can see the NASDAQ right here, about to reach our little zone. Golly. It's going to get it. New session highs on the NASDAQ. Yeah, hey, Raj, it should be on. I don't turn it off. Well, let's go see. Yeah, it's set at 40 tonight. No bubbles. I don't think I've seen any bubbles. Yeah, I've had 0 bubbles on the NQ tonight. What about ES? Yes, look, we had a trade detector bubble right down here at the low on the ES. And look, we're starting to get one right up there. Any other ones? Nope. Only 2 bubbles tonight on the ES so far. Oh, NASDAQ's gonna hit that freaking level, you stupid market. And Jesse's probably still at work. Jesse lives all the way on the other coast. So it's, oh, what, 6 o'clock there? He might be getting ready to get off work. I can't remember what time he gets off. Maybe he's listening to us driving home. Yeah, hey, Paul, M&Q might have got a bubble. Hey, Jeremy, so at night, so I use different levels for the bubbles. So at night on the NASDAQ, I use 40. In the daytime, I use 60. On the S&P, at night, I use 50. And during the day, I use 150. And we got to run back up to take out the highs again. And yeah, I'm not really wanting to short this because I still got upper targets that I think we could hit. Yeah, so and I was using anywhere from 125 to 150 on the ES, but I've been settled in at 150 in this recent market environment. The current market environment that we're in. Come on, let's go, let's go. Just push it. Just need to get the pullback underway. I don't want to short it. You know, I think a pullback is coming soon. But I still want to hit this target here, here, and right there. I need to see a pullback before I can get involved in that. So I just got to hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. So that is what makes it a little bit more challenging on stream. Like I want to hurry up and get it. So if I wasn't on stream right now, I could be watching a YouTube video and just watching this on the side chart. So makes it a lot easier waiting that way. All right, we get a little bit of selling. Hey, you can do whatever you want. I told you, I think we're gonna get a pullback. We're up here in these bands, but because I have upper targets, any pullback, I'm looking for buying opportunities. I do think a pullback is coming. Look over here on the ES. ES made it to that second band. So it'd be a gift if we come back down towards the VWAP. So VWAP on the NASDAQ's at 419. Hey, Raphael, I don't know yet. Depends on if the overseas markets start tanking and if oil starts shooting back up. Right now, oil's only up $1.40, and I could have. Let's go look at oil again. I was almost going to short it. When I looked over here, I was like, ooh, probably coming right back to the candle body low at 79.31. That was when we're up in the 60s. We're at 41 right now. I was like, stop it. Quit thinking about that. So I didn't take it, but I was almost going to short oil and try to play right down to the bottom of that candle, but I didn't do it. Yeah, Hong Kong opens at 9:30, so about 23 more minutes. Look, we do have the Nikkei up 137. Kospi's up 147. So again, I'm favoring, a pullback so I can get long is what I'm hoping for. Now, maybe we get a pullback and I get ran over. That's a possibility as well. Hopefully that's not the outcome that we get, but it is a possibility. So. Look, rip right back up. This is why I wanted to be long. I did not want to short it. Still have too many targets to the upside. Ah, dang it. Hey, Neo, sorry to hear that. That's frustrating. That is frustrating. Like no other. Yeah, oil's still coming down. Oil's only up $1.18 now. Oh, oil did get my target, I think. I said 31 on the oil target. Let's see. I think it got it. What was the low? Low was 28. So look, it did get it. I said we're up there in the 60s, but I didn't take the trade. That's fine. It's not one of my normally trades I would take. I mean, I don't normally trade crude oil anymore. So gold's not really moving too much tonight. Gold's only down 4.4. ES is on the move back up again. ES is still working its way towards that point of control. So if you guys are trading the ES, 75.64.5 is target one. P point right here at 75.72 is the next target. And then we have the minus development area up here, 77 to 81-ish. We'll see if we can get it. VWAP and standard deviation on oil. Let's go look at it. Let's see. Hey, Raj, we did. We got right there to the second band. Then, boop, right back down the VWAP. Second band. Boop, VWAP. Second band. Pull back. Not quite the VWAP that time. Yeah, that's pretty consistent tonight. Yeah, clean moves. Yeah. Hey, so a lot of you guys struggle out there today, or did you guys find today easy? I feel like the people I talked to was cursing at the market. Like that SOB. You won't believe what they did to me. Again, I'm just waiting for the pullback. Waiting for the pullback and see if I can, bam, smack it again. Yeah, not too bad today. If you're on the sell side today, it was definitely an easier day than if you're buy side. Tough for you, Total Dork. Oh, I didn't do too bad today. I had to leave earlier this morning. So I got the stream to what, about 11:20 left. Came back. I was hoping to be back by 2. But I was able to start streaming at 2:30. Streamed until what, 4:30ish. We did some analysis and then came back at 8 o'clock tonight. Well, that's a lot of streaming today. Yeah, Spaces. I didn't. I don't know why. I think the gap from last night was still in my head. So we look at the gap. We have that gap. I kept thinking, oh, they're gonna try to bust it back up to fill that gap, and then we'll see what happens. Nope. Same thing on the NASDAQ. Nope. So no, definitely not, Paul. Definitely not. It gets worse by the day. It's pretty funny. So if you guys want to help me defeat the YouTube algorithm, smash that lucky like button. It goes a long ways. Again, we're just waiting for the pullback so I can get long. Again, here's the ES trying to pull back off that second deviation band. Ideally on the ES, I'll start being interested around 50 down to 45 maybe, or bounce back up. We'll see how we get down there, but my initial thoughts, that's where I'd like to see it. NASDAQ's been a little bit stronger tonight, so maybe the NASDAQ, I don't know, 440 down to 422, even all the way down to 373. So somewhere in this area here, I'd like to see a pullback, and then maybe I'll re-engage the M&Qs for the push. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Oil's only up $1.16 at the moment. I don't know if my market analyzer is working for the Russell. Let's go look. No, it matches. Yeah, it's working. Russell just moving slow. Cosby trying to pull back here a little bit. Nikkei went back red too. Nikkei did get back in the red. So now, any more attacks going on over in the Middle East as we speak? Yeah, so we get the 100 likes. Oh, thanks, Tom. IRGC warns that cooperating with the U.S. forces and using unauthorized routes in the Straits of Hormuz will result in regret, damage, and delay to its reopening. Air defense activity in East, however you say that word, Providence, Iran. 15 minutes ago. We got a 9 count right here on the NASDAQ, but I'm not ready to bite on that. I want to see a little bit deeper pullback. See if we can get a little bit deeper pullback before I get back long. Again, I have the luxury of being up so far tonight, so I don't have to force it. So I can chill. If we get my setup, I get it. If not, yeah, that's good too. No worries. No worries. Fingers crossed we do, though. Tomorrow morning should be pretty wild with the CPI data coming out. Or CPI, as I like to call it. As I already say, it's prone to sampling errors. So we see what the cooks are cooking up for us for tomorrow. Oh boy. Don't go up yet. I don't want it to go up yet. I need more of a pullback so I can get long. Looking for more of a pullback so I can get long. You know what? Maybe. They're trying to sucker me in this. Like, you know what? Maybe we got the 9 count. Maybe I'll be enough to push up here. Get a little extra on that. Maybe I'll put one on here. I'm going to try to play into that area right there. We're going to see if I regret this. I might regret this. The new task force will have more accurate ways of cooking the CP line number. All right, we'll see if we can make it up here. I might regret this. I did just go long. So we'll see if I regret it. I'm going to try to play up into the zone. I have a zone up here. Things got wild. That'd be pretty awesome if I could hold this. If we could actually go all the way up and hit the P point tonight, that would be pretty amazing. I don't think that's going to happen though. So, but we'll see. Only got one on it. I want more contracts. Oh, on the right hand side, that's going to be a Ninja Renko chart over here. So if you're using NinjaTrader, you can download it for free. Let me see real quick. I'll get you a link. Nightbot should post a link here in a moment. There you go. So if you click on that link, it'll bring you to a page just like this. Scroll down. And then right here, this yellowish looking one where it says free. That's the one you download. That's the one I'm using. Again, I have no affiliations with them. I just use their product. So. Yeah, Renko is not time related. So we can be on the same Renko bar all day long. If the market's not moving. Or you can get 10,000 Renko bars in a minute. Depends on what settings you have them on. Really good for finding quick inefficiencies in the market. Quick overbought, oversold areas. So. Come on, push it. Push it. Please. Use momentum range candles. I don't think I've ever used those, Raj. Momentum range indicator or candles. I don't think I've ever used those. I don't think I have. Oh, let's see. Are we gonna keep pushing? Yeah, I got that one micro trade. I kind of FOMO'd in. Hoping for a little bit deeper pullback, but we just weren't getting it. I put one on. We'll see if we can ride it on up. Again, we have that zone up here. I'm trying to take it into. I'd love it if we push all the way to the P point, which what price did we say that was? That was at 618, 618.75. That might be getting carried away for tonight. I'd love to see it. Kospi and Nikkei are both in the green. Man, these darn hiccups. I got the stream hiccups. Come on, just get on up there. Just want to see. All the sound effects, everything. All of it. All of it. Yeah, the NASDAQ, I could really see it going up here to about 726. Maybe not before we're off stream, but sometime tonight or tomorrow morning. Crazy upside target on the ES would be about 76.46. Yeah, I don't know if we hit that tomorrow. CPI would have to be really good for that. That's up there ways. Yeah, Space Invaders. The NASDAQ's still the only one of our three indices in the green. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close out that poll. We've had it out there for a while. Let's close her down. What are you guys voting for? So CPI, pop or drop tomorrow? 56% said pop, 44% said drop. Yeah, it's not time related. So on the right hand side, it's price related, not time. So you can be on one candle for an hour or a tenth of a second. So it's not relevant for time. It's price movement. So price has to move so much to plot a new candle. Now I really like it because you can see real quick when you get stretched away from the EMAs too far, boom, it snaps back. So it's good little counter trend scalping chart for that. All right, put me in the red. I'm back about flat on this trade. Down just a little bit, just a smidge on the micro. Again, if we do consolidate here for a while, maybe go down, I'll add to it. Let's see. Raj wants pull. All right, so Raj says NQ 32,500 to 36,500, or in the middle. For middle. By the end of July. See what you guys think. Oh no. I did the poll wrong. Oh, 26. Oh, dang it. Did I read it wrong? Oh, you meant. Okay. Let's see if we can try to redo it. So. Let me just make sure I can read it right. 32.5 to 26.5. All right. There we go. Redid the poll. NQ 32,500. 26,500. Or in the middle. What do you guys think? All right, hopefully we can just get this thing to keep on squeezing up. All right, I already FOMO'd in this entry a little bit. We weren't pulling back, so I said F it. Only put one contract on. I want more on this. Love 32,500. Let's get it. And let's see if we can do it tomorrow. Woo. Tomorrow, just CPI comes out. We get a big blast off. That'd be funny. That would be funny. Oh, yeah. Hang Seng's going to be open up here shortly. My M&Q got back in the green. M&Q back in the green. We got one contract on this, though. That's a bummer. So we shall see. Again, I'm trying to get above this zone, or at least near the top of it, near 580-ish or so. Maybe a little bit higher. I'd love to be able to hold out for the P point. I just don't know that I think we're going to get that before we're off stream tonight. I don't know that we hit that before we're off stream. I'd love it if we did. I just got a sneaky suspicion it won't happen. So minus 4% according to new task force. Baron Trump. Hey Yoda, what's up? Good evening. So let's see. Oh boy. Hold on. I think somebody wants to join us tonight. Oh, let's go see. Video. Well, let's see. I think Jesse wants to come in, hang out with us. See if I can get Jesse on. Starting to get a headache. I think I gotta take some ibuprofen too. Let's see. Let's see. All right, I think I got Jesse live with us. All right, Jesse, you're on.
Okay, let's see. Can you guys hear me all right?
Well, you can hold it down for me. I'm going to get some ibuprofen. My head's pounding.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. What's up, everybody? Man, I hope we can get rid of Mike's headache. I hate it when I've got a headache and I'm trying to do something. Good to see everybody. How'd we all do today? I had a pretty kick-ass morning this morning in the markets, but last night, I made a stupid mistake. I'll tell you guys about it later. Oh, let me hit the like button. Whoa. Boom. All right. Everybody hit that like button. Let's get it going. Tom, Paul, Frank, Yoda, BK, Stay Broke, Spaces. Good to see you guys. I see real estate's in the house. Who else? I don't want to miss anybody. If you're hearing me, say hi. Tom. I don't want to miss Tom. Roger. Carl, the other Carl. All right. And we got the white boy on the avenue. Raj, what's up, everybody?
Nah, it's a different Jesse.
Oh, yeah, Sean's here.
Hey, Sean, what's up?
No, this ain't Jesse W., but I like that guy. He's got a good name.
I think you're biased. Just saying.
I like my boy Jesse Dub.
We're trying to pull back here a little bit.
Yeah, I already got one trade in. I sent Mike a text of it earlier.
Did you?
Yeah. That was $820.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Yeah, it was a nice little drop up there from the top.
I'm trying to pull back. I'm kind of curious. What is the... I think the Cosby and Nikkei are coming down. Nikkei's still up 86. Cosby's up 83. What's oil doing? Oil's trying to move up a little bit, I think.
Hey, if we get some selling, I got a big size pattern target down at 312. I mean, that's pretty far down there. If we get to selling though.
312.
312.
Let's see. Is that below the low today? That's new lows, isn't it?
Yeah, that would be new lows. The New York low
No,
is
tonight the low is
386.
325. Tonight the low is 325.
Oh yeah, so that would be new lows for tonight even too.
Yeah, that's not what I want to see happen. I'm long this M and Q. I don't want to see that.
Oh, I thought I heard you peeling them off.
I did earlier, but I just put one. I end up FOMOing back into one. I'm only down like $20 something right now.
I gotcha.
I want more on it.
Let me see if I got any targets to the upside here.
I'm looking for that structure area retest and maybe the P point.
Yeah.
I'll be happy with that. Then get me up there. I'll be like, swing. So.
What's up, Raphael? You done for the night, Jess? Well, I'd like to say yes, but you guys know me. I mean, listen, $820 is pretty good times 5 accounts for my one trade in Asia, right? I should be done. If I was smart, I would be done.
See, like how he's telling you everything. I should be. I want to be. Not that I am, but all the reasons why he, should be.
Can't make no promises.
You can. You just might not be able to keep it. I know I said I was done, guys, but.
So anyways, Mike, did you see that in the picture I sent you, right at the top of that move, there's a big old red bubble right where I would want to see one on that pattern.
Yeah, I didn't have no red bubbles.
Perfect. So on NQ, I've got my trade detector set to 30. And then the size is 80. And so when I see that, woo-wee, let's go. There's Apple. Apple in a good mood today.
Let's see. That's weird. Ooh.
So Paul says 660s. Wait. Paul says 680s. Oh, way up there. Oh, geez.
680. Let's go.
660s minimum. All right. I mean, I could see a lot of stuff we could be targeting up to that direction. We got the pivot point. We got the closing VWAP from the New York session. We've got the upper bands from the New York session. We've got value area high up there. We've got Mike's what was that? Not a minus development area. I don't see one.
No, we have a structure breakdown point.
Structure breakdown. I've got all kinds of targets above us, right? So
really 618. I just don't think we're gonna get there tonight before I go to bed. Which doesn't mean I won't hold it. I mean, I'm willing to hold it.
Yeah.
I don't care about that, but I mean, if I can get the money out beforehand, why not? That's my thought.
What's up, Rapid Trim? Good to see you guys.
I'd really like to see Nikkei and Kospi be a little bit stronger, but yeah, Trump notifies Congress of new war against Iran. Hey, Trim Trader, what's up? Hey, Trim Trader, how you been? I almost wish I would not have FOMO'd into that. Wish I can get a mulligan on that trade. I really wanted to wait for a pullback. I got impatient. Hey, ES is back at the VWAP now. So look at ES. ES is back at the VWAP. So I want to see ES at VWAP or 75.45-ish, somewhere in that range. I could be interested in that, maybe.
I'm just reading Rapid's news reports here. Jeez Louise. Trim past 7 Apex accounts tonight. All right.
Oh, good deal, Trim. Nice. Yeah, I wonder how much targets we're hitting tonight. I haven't looked. I know we were striking earlier. I don't know if
Hey,
we
if
still
we
are.
break this swing low over here, I think my what was that number I was throwing out again?
Which one?
312.
318, 312, something like that.
I can't see that far. Let's just call it 312. I think if we come down here and break through VWAP, we got the 312, and that's gonna be like a 100-point drop. I mean, right now they're trying to sell it, but we're probably gonna bounce on this VWAP right here.
VWAP's down at 431. We have the ES below the VWAP now. ES at 75.49. So I might end up getting suckered into MES trade here shortly too. And I only got one MQ, so I'm pretty light right now on positions.
It's the Dutch rudder, dude.
Oh boy.
That's what I call it when I'm like I'm way down on one NQ or ES, so I'll just like put one on the other to try to add. It's like adding, but not really.
No, but I mean I want more on this MNQ. I just don't know if this is a spot where I want in at. We do have a 9 count on the MES too.
All right, hold on one sec. I'll be right back.
So I'm watching the MES closely. I might want to. Let's go look at this real quick. The Kospi one more time. Yeah, Kospi's only up 16. Nikkei did go red. I don't like that for possibly adding. I do like the 9 count here on the NASDAQ and on the ES. I like the 9 counts. I like the location. I'm going to start a position on the MES too. Start a position on the MES. We came into the area where I said I was willing to look for a position between the VWAP and 75.45. I just started a position on the MES. We'll see if we get a little poppy pop. Looking for, still haven't hit that VWAP yet. So maybe I'll go to sleep tonight with that trade on. Trying to front run that VWAP. So yeah, NASDAQ VWAP's at 431. And we're at 470 now. I don't mind it. So 75.64. So if we had VWAP at 64.50, I'll probably front run that a little bit. 62-ish. Probably on the exit. Let's see.
All right, I'm back. Sorry about that.
There's the trade I put on. I went ahead and started position in the MES.
All right. Oh, you're pulling off the double Dutch rudder here.
Well, I'm willing to hold this while I'm sleeping, so I'm not going to close it out early. Say F it. I'll put my targets in just in case I forget about it and I go to bed. I'd hate to see it go up, and then by the time I wake up, it went up, went way down. I had no target in. That would suck.
So, hey, Frank, yeah, Mike just did a good video about that. That video came out, I think, this morning. You should watch it. Not right now, but later. Watch it. Stands for fair value gap, like JD said. And Mike explains it in that video. It's a good one.
It's basically inefficiency in the market.
Yeah, let's drop a link, actually. You want me
It's
to
actually, it's already pinned.
Oh, good.
It's in the pinned comment section.
Oh, down below.
In the chat. No, in the chat.
What? I don't see a pin.
Should.
Oh, it's because the poll is over it. That's right. All right.
Stupid poll.
Hey, we're getting some selling. Hey, if we can break below VWAP and hold below it, right? Get a little test and then hold. I'm gonna go short targeting that. What did I say?
We're not at VWAP yet.
That's about there. Well, remember I have these bigger bars. It looks closer to me.
VWAP's at 432. It's about another. About 12 points away right now. Let's see if they can just pow. What I don't like is Nikkei and oh wow, HSI down pretty big. I didn't see that. HSI down 247. I wish I would have saw that. I saw the Nikkei went back red. Cosby's barely red, down $3. I didn't see a Nikkei though. I was sleeping on that. Or not Nikkei, the HSI. We did come down to being oversold. We do have delta divergence. I played that for a little bounce, which I did not. Oh, hey, J Loves, what's up?
I'm just looking at NQ here on my Renko bars, and it's like, seems like we've had some pretty good movement tonight, huh?
Yeah, not bad.
All these moves up and wow, this is a lot more price action than I'm used to seeing when I get home from work.
Yeah.
Wow.
Most of the money I made tonight was off micros.
Yeah, big moves up and down. Nice range. Totally tradable.
Feeling froggy. I'm about to go hit this NQ. Man, I'm going to be upset. I didn't take it. I missed the NQ, so I smacked another MNQ.
All right.
In the MES, I'm up 11, $13 on MES.
We're in the top red zone of my regression channel.
I was down 112. Yeah, I got 131.
My data's always messed up. I've got right now, because I'm on this live data that seems to be totally wrong. This says we're up 44 points on the NQ. Is that right?
No,
didn't think so. I got to figure out why that's happening. It only happens when I'm connected to my TPT live data.
So connect to the sim data.
Yeah, I guess I could.
Oh, what I mean by 9 count. So this indicator right here plots a 9 count. It's counting the bars, but is looking at how high it closed relative to the last 4 bars. And what I would encourage you to do is Nightbot should post a link real quick. Nightbot will post a link to a video, explain it to you how it shows up before a 1987 stock market crash, .com bubble burst, and how you can get the indicator for free. So Jay, if you watch that video, I think it'll help out quite a bit.
Hey, now we got, man, there's a target. There's targets all over the damn
Let's
place.
go.
I was trying to go short, and I'm rethinking it now. Let me send you another picture.
Nah, you don't want to go short. Come on, you got to jump on the bandwagon. We're going long, baby. We went short all day.
You'll have to zoom in on this because it's a big one. It's a big picture.
That's what she said.
I put my cursor there so maybe you could read the price, what price that's at up there.
Oh yeah, I like it.
What's up, John?
Yeah. Hey, since when did Jesse learn to go short?
Yeah, I got a nice short earlier, $820 short. I'll take that.
And NASDAQ's back in the green. Let's see if the...
Wait, was that a short? I can't remember now.
Oh boy.
Let me go back to my pictures.
It cost me and Nikkei are back green.
Yeah, it was a short. I took a short, John. Yeah, I think it's trying to get up there.
Yeah, BK it is. On the ES it's tilting down. NASDAQ it is too, but I think we're going to flip this back up.
I'm going to go for it. Let's see. Let me put my target right here.
You're doing it sim or in the funded or prop account?
Prop accounts. I'm in. I FOMO'd. I hope I didn't. I hope I don't regret this.
Are you long or short?
I'm long, targeting 508.
508. Oh, I want more. I want more than that. If we can get up there around 540, maybe I'll exit my M&Qs. Iran drone hits 2 ships. 1 person got unalived.
Oh no, that's not good for my long.
I think that was earlier. Hey Raj, wasn't that earlier? I thought I saw that earlier. The fee Trump wants to charge ships passing through the Straits of Hormuz could double oil shipping cost. All right. Hey, Raj, I think that happened earlier. That news that you read, Iran drones.
Hey, there's a little pop. Let's go, baby.
I'm looking for 540. I'm pretty deep. I'm pretty deep in these micros, so
I could see us getting to 519. In fact, I'm gonna move my target up to 519.
it might be a screw. I don't like that we're both in the same direction. Oh, you're in the NQ. I'm in the MQ.
Plus different reasons. I think we're good. If we had the same reason, that's a problem.
I don't know. We're gonna see. Market's like, oh, we got them both. Bam.
That's true too.
I don't know. I'm superstitious like that.
Ooh, that's a big sell bubble right there.
I got one too.
Oh, yeah, but they absorbed it. The buyers absorbed that on Bookmap. Look.
I don't have it on mine. It doesn't show absorption on mine.
Yeah, mine's a 55. Buyers absorbed 55 contracts right there. So let's see.
Oh, another attack being reported. All right.
Oh,
So I missed that, Raj.
If I get an opportunity, I'm gonna get out of this just in case.
Hey, you gotta realize if we can already see it, if Raj already sees it, the news is already out there. Big boys already see it.
Yeah, that's true. Unless Raj has some kind of secret, news tunnel.
He does. He does. That's why we keep him on the stream. Shh.
Hey, there we go. They're ripping. Let's go. My target's at 518. Well, 518.
I'm trying to go to 540. I'm going to 540.
That's a big move, man.
Yeah, Ross said now he's just a bot. Oh, crap. The bots are getting intelligence now. Dang it. We gotta go in there and tweak the bot tonight. Can't let him outthink us. Next thing you know, they're gonna be taking over. All right.
Stay broke, locked out for the day. Daily target reach. There you go.
Nice. That lockout feature, I can't tell you how many traders I've talked to that said it's helped them immensely. Man, I'm jonesing to get out of this trade. I can. I'm gonna try to hold out. I got the itch going. I'm like, ooh, I want to take it. I want to take it. I want to take it.
I don't like how it's stalling right here too.
Just gotta be patient.
I'm up a couple $100. I'm gonna be patient.
Yeah, that's how you get a couple million. You take it off.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, $5 million dollar trades. Man, can you imagine that?
Well, it is $275 times 5 accounts. So I mean, it's pretty good money. Hey, Trim, they don't have it because they haven't onboarded to the Trade of 8 prop or Ninja Trader prop system yet.
Yeah. Apex doesn't have it. My Fun and Futures don't have it yet.
They're on the coming soon list though, so
It's been on there for a while.
yeah.
I wonder if Alpha Futures were on there originally. I know they're not now, but
Yeah, that's a bummer because I watch a lot of Words of Wisdom stuff, and he's been pumping them for a long time. I wonder what the hell happened on the backside of that.
Oh, they started their own platform, and Ninja Trader's worried it was going to compete with their platform. They still want Ninja Trader to do all the reporting for their platform, and then people that were getting paid, they said, "Oh, we can't pay you now because whatever, yada yada." So a lot of people had payouts; they're not going to get paid now. So not good. Get a little smackdown here.
Dang, I should have taken that 275.
See, coulda, woulda, shoulda.
Darn it.
John says, "Where are we relative to yesterday's volleyball profile?" I think someone's using talk to text.
So I think somebody's driving while texting.
Yeah, the volleyball profile. Huh. Volleyball. What indicator is the volleyball profile?
Hey, Tom. Yeah, I use Trade of 8 for all my connections.
Hey, John, we've hit the point of control on the NASDAQ. And on the ES, we haven't hit it yet. 75, 64.5, which I'm trying to target currently on the MES right here. We'll see if we get up there. Yeah, I only watch women's volleyball. Let's see. If you guys haven't yet, smash that like button, see if we can get 100 likes. Got 9 more to go. Oh, sorry, 10 o'clock almost. Oh boy. Yeah, ABC Foreman, possibly on the... I like this idea. I like Roger's idea. As long as this low right here holds. We have an ABC target up here at 533. We got to break the B point first. But 533, I might even be willing to get on my M&Q at 533.
I'm getting out of my NQ at 518 if I can.
Ah, you little... Wah. You know what I want to say.
Yeah. What's up, Robert? Yeah, this is the Asia session. Yep. Most people consider like 8 p.m. to 12 midnight Eastern time the Asia, quote unquote, the Asia session.
I know.
John says, yeah, guilty as charged on the texting and driving and the speech to text.
See the text come through. You stupid mother.
It's
on there.
It's still listening. You thought it was off. Yeah, I've done that.
Come on, just go up there.
Yeah, now it's just messing around my entry point. It's because we had that big sell bubble right there.
No, I think it's because you got my trade.
What?
That's my story. Jesse ruined the trade. Everything was going fine, and then Jesse hopped in.
Hey, check this out. I added the regression channel on my 15-minute chart.
Really?
And we just tapped into the upper red zone, and it's pretty declined.
Ugh.
Darn it. I forgot I added that. I just glanced over there.
On the 15 minutes.
Yeah.
What setting do you have your channel
I
at?
think I got it set at 60 bars. Let me check. No, it's set to 100 bars. Deviations are 2 and 4.
Washington State. Hey, Raj, I don't think we're going to get that ABC pattern. Looks like it's going to try to break right below here and go lower without taking out the B point.
So, Robert, I'm on the West Coast, too. I'm in California. So, the Globex opens at 6 p.m. our time, yes. But technically, I think the Asia session doesn't start till 8 p.m., a couple hours later. I think that's when the first Asia region starts waking up and trading, I think. I don't know the exact details, but I just use 8 to 12. That's what I do. God, get up there.
It's not going to do it till one of us gets out.
I should have taken that 275, darn it.
No, because then I could be working myself towards my target.
Ooh, they're selling. They're selling. Oh, they're selling.
Yeah, definitely fail for a potential ABC pattern, Raj. No doubt.
Yeah.
Our short term are coming to being oversold. I might swing at this and the opening price.
What is the opening price? For some reason, I don't have that on my chart.
446.
Oh, gotcha. So that's just above VWAP there. Okay.
I'm debating on swinging at this. I don't know yet, though. But ES is back below the VWAP. NASDAQ's slightly above it. Screw it. Let's go. I'm going to get stopped out, I'm sure. I know it's going to stop me out.
You're front running the signal. Me too.
No, I'm down into being oversold. But I feel like it's going to stop me out, but I can't fight the urge.
It's going to tap you and then go.
Probably.
Because that's that opening price right there, your stop.
I'm like a tick or two below it. We need to get back above that 50 EMA right there. Not like how we just rejected off the 50. I'm closing it. Oh, dang it. I closed it at freaking, God dog it.
Oh, put you in a short.
About the same time I hit my stop.
Now watch it flush and you're not in it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, bummer.
That's fine though.
Yeah.
Yeah, CL's not really moving with this move.
Oh, my CL data is delayed. Darn it.
And Nikkei's back down 219. Ugh. Kospi's down 37. Yeah, we're almost at VWAP right now. VWAP is 435. Might give it one more shot. I don't know.
You are oversold again.
Yeah. Hard to go long unless we get back above 480. We're in a slower time of the market right now, too.
Yeah, and then it doesn't really pick up until another hour and a half, like another couple hours. Jeez.
I got the Nikkei and the Kospi down right now.
So
I was like, dang it. I knew I shouldn't have taken that last trade. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I felt it wasn't going to work, but just in case I wanted to take a swing at it. And it didn't work.
Yeah, it looks like this one isn't working either.
Sirens and explosions in Bahrain.
Oh, no.
Iran attack underway.
Oh, jeez.
Renewed U.S. strikes on southern Iran.
Rafael's going to trade NQ down to 300. Woo. I mean, remember, I called out that 312 level. Still sitting down there, waiting for some attention.
Yeah, gold's up now. Gold was flat today, was down 4 points. Gold's up 12 now. Yeah, look at Kospi's down 58. I see gold trying to rise. CL.
Ooh, it's trying to rip a little bit here.
I was thinking about getting in it, but I was thinking about it.
Short-lived.
Yeah, I didn't get in. I was thinking about it. Wrong screen. So we did hit the VWAP. We're at VWAP right now. Yes, at the first deviation band. We might go take out the lows.
Wow.
And I think the Kospi and Nikkei are both at lunch. Oh, final report card. Oh, let's go see it. Oh, Paul had a decent night. Ooh. Almost got your account numbers, Paul. Here's Paul's. Nice. 234, 493, 173, and $1,621. Nice.
Yeah, let's get it. Raj says dump time. Uh-oh. Trim.
Hey, Trim Trader. Have a good night. Man, I'm really wanting to swing at this. Really want to swing at it.
Let's see if we get this bounce off of VWAP here.
I know. I was wanting to catch the
Oh,
bounce,
there
so
it goes. There it goes.
I should have hit it. I could have got that money back of that last trade. Son of a biscuit.
Hey, if you had those other algorithms set up in your Bookmap, you would have seen that coming.
I would have seen it or heard it.
Heard it. Sorry. Unless you're staring at all the meters and bells and whistles. That was a nice little rip. Let's see if they can follow up.
You know, BK even said earlier too, look, the regression channel is sloping down. And it was. I was just hopeful that we were going to bust and flip it back up.
Yeah, mine's down too on the Renkos and the 15-minute chart. And over there on the ES.
Yeah, Paul said he's only trading the open of the new 4-hour candle. That's it. I was talking to him earlier about that too.
All right.
That helps him from over trading and FOMO and stuff.
So what do you do, Paul? Do you wait for it to like kind of wick up or down and kind of take out the previous 4-hour candles high or low, and then you're interested? Is that what you do? I've seen others that do that. Yeah, then okay, I gotcha.
You son of a biscuit.
Man, it's going, huh? It's trying.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you're still in those micros though, right?
Yeah, I added to it too.
Okay, good.
I got mad I missed it, so I added.
All right, so you're getting the move, just in a different way.
I still got the MES on too.
Nice.
But it sucks that I lost a little over 200 on that last trade, I think. Because I exited and then it put me in a short right. I hit close right before my stop. And it got me in the opposite direction. We need a big rip, just.
Yeah.
I'd love to be all these trades before I go to bed. I just don't know that that's going to happen.
Yeah, well, to get that big of a rip, we might need some kind of catalyst, huh?
Yeah, Trump says we've won the war again. We won the war. We're actually going to sit down and have negotiations tomorrow. We're almost about to sign a deal.
God, look at it rejecting right out of the top of my regression channel again. Jeez.
Yeah, we ain't make it all the way up to the top of mine yet. Not yet. Not yet. Oh, congrats, you guys did get us to 100 likes. Again, I still would love NASDAQ up towards that P point. And we could actually be set up a little ABC pattern over here on the 30-minute. I need to see this low actually put in. But if this low on this right here holds, target would actually be 644. So if we're shooting for that P point at 618, wouldn't be bad. Would not be bad. Nacho Tuesday, Nacho straight.
Nacho straight. That's funny.
I'm liking it. This actually might be a good trade. A count on the NQ 4-hour. Uh-oh. Let's see. That should be to the downside. NQ. Yeah, working on bar. Oh yeah, bar number 8 right now. Yeah, I'll be asleep by the time that we get the bar number 9. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe 6 in the morning. I might be up around then. Oh, then we got CPI data coming out.
Yeah, and that CPI, we can't trade on prop firms, right?
No. Oh, you can in evals. Most prop firms you can trade evals, just not funded.
Gotcha.
So MFF, I gotta be out. I gotta be out for TPT. So Tradify, you can trade it. Apex, you can trade it. And Lucid, you can trade it. But that way I don't have to worry about which is which. I'm out all of them. Just make sure I'm flat.
Yeah, I don't like to trade big news like that anyways. Come on, push.
That's what I'm saying. You got to push it. I was just really hoping that last trade I took was really kind of FOMO-ish. I want to get to 1K. I took it, ended up going back 200 plus. That sucks. Now if they can just blaze it on up, hit my targets. Raphael's gonna ban anybody that doesn't hit the like button. I don't know how you're gonna tell who doesn't hit it though. NASDAQ's back in the green. All the other ones are in the red still.
What's up, Miss K?
Hey, Miss K, what's up? I really want that target on the the MES too. That point of control. Probably leave that on overnight. I think that's a very doable target. If you look from swing high to swing low, that's even below the 38% retracement. So I still think this is a conservative target. And
hey, to my untrained eyes, just glancing at my NQ 15-minute chart, it sure looks like we just put in the pullback needed for an A to B equals C to D.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Pretty big one.
Yeah, I was talking about that too.
Okay.
Earlier, you can see it on the 5. You can see it on the 5-minute as well, but it goes something like this. Now we got to break the B point though. So the B point is up there around 540. Target would be 645. It's a nice target, but we got to go up there and get it going.
Hey, Tommy, the chart that Mike has on the right is a Ninja Renko chart. It does smooth out price action and help you stay in, short burst trends a little quicker. It doesn't smooth it out as much as Heikin-Ashi though. There you go. Mike put the link to it right there. It's a free indicator from Ninjaco.
And if you click that link, it'll bring you right here. And the one I'm using is right here. The free one. Price for perfection.
Yeah, use code Mike to get an even better discount.
With what?
The free Ninjarenko bars.
It's still free. I have no affiliation with them. Use code Mike, it probably won't let you download it.
Selling off again.
That's just a pullback. It's not even real quicksand. I'm going to close out Raj's poll. Let's see. So majority of chat believes. Hey, Raj, majority of chat believes 43% say 32,500.
Wow. That's up there.
Yeah, it's up there a little bit.
Yoda, yeah, exactly. Look at that channel, Mike. It went up there and back down again.
I know.
It loves that channel.
Yeah, hey, I got financial juice up, Raj. I don't see anything. I don't see anything coming through. See stuff about China customs deputy minister, and I don't see anything. Oil looks like it may have pulled back. Looking at the market analyzer window. So oil's dropping a little bit, but our market's dropping too.
Trump speaks at 12:30 a.m. on the 13th. Well, that was this morning.
Oh yeah, I think no, that was PM this morning, 12:30 p.m. I saw it on Financial Juice this morning. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, Raj, that would have been this morning though, but I kept thinking that was 12:30 this afternoon. Because mine says 00.30. Trump speaks on July 13th.
Yeah, that would be 12:30 in the middle of the night this morning.
Yeah, but
I think it's a typo.
I swear I seen 12:30 earlier today though.
Got to be a typo.
All right, we're coming back down.
Jeez.
Just short the upper regression channel. That's it.
Yeah, and long the bottom.
Oh, price bars froze again.
Uh-oh.
All right, still got data flowing. Oh boy, they're trying to get me to hit it. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's a whole lot of effort to go down. Oil's not budging either. It's not oil related. Eh. I said that. Yeah, I was talking to somebody else about Alpha Futures. Hey, they're more than 3 months behind on their trade debate bills. Oh yeah, that company's going bye-bye. Man, I'm getting ready to smack this. I really want. Should have hit it. I should have hit it, but I'm like, we're not really at the lower regression channel yet, almost, but I should have hit it. I should have done it.
It's not too late. Hit it.
No, it's too late. We're too far away from the low.
What? That's barely nothing.
No, I'm telling you. Can't do it.
Can't do it?
Nope. Won't do it. I'd rather wait.
It looks so tiny on my 20/10s. Man, I wish my oil chart was not delayed like this, darn it.
Yeah, oil's at down 98 cents. It's going down as the market's coming down. And gold's on the move back up too. Gold's up 15.7. See, I told you we would go back down there. You try to suck me in that bad trade.
Well, now you can get in. Better price.
Yeah, I waited too long now. I feel like they're going to take my lunch money again.
Market says, give me your tots. Let's see.
Let's see. It's going to take my tots. Told you. Told you they're going to get me. It's all Jesse's fault.
My fault.
Yeah, you said get in.
No, I said you could still get in.
No, you said you better get in or else. It's my story.
What's up, Epic? Good to see you.
Hey, Epic, what's up?
Manuel, good to see you.
Oh. Hey, Manuel. Come on, Joker.
Yeah, get up there.
Should have taken that.
Yeah, and my dumb ass is still taking the heat on that long I've been in for like an hour.
Really?
Yeah. I got married to that five. I got married to the five.
You're in the NQ. You're not in the MNQ.
NQ, yeah. 518 is my target. And I've been up a few times on this trade. Haven't taken it. Jeez.
So you're just trying to suck me in the bad trade with you. Oh, I'm on to you now.
I'm hearing buyers.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Follow up.
Yeah. If we can hit my 441, that'd be awesome. I should go all the way to 446 back to opening price without stopping me out.
Come on, get up there.
What price are you in that?
260. Oh, I'm sorry, 460.
I was like 260. Holy crap.
Yeah, I wish. 260.
Yeah, I was just up 200 too.
Yeah, I was up 250 early or 275 earlier and I didn't take it.
All right, so I gotta get out before 275.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
don't have the regrets. Oh, dang it.
JD says DCA. No, I'm not doing it. I can't do it. Can't do it, JD.
Should have took it. Saw 200 too.
So much for that A to B equals C to D. I think we blew it.
No, not yet.
Not yet?
We didn't go down far enough yet to blow it. We have to break the 786. So eyeballing it, you still have some room. Hey, you're good, Raphael. I went long to help you out. Closed it.
Dang.
I closed it.
We have that put support there. Put support 0 DTE 29,400 from my mentor Q levels.
Yeah, no, yeah, I heard it. The AI is costing the companies a lot more. God dog it. Really gonna stop me out then go. I'm gonna be upset.
Especially if it really goes. I mean, that's nothing yet. Let's see. If it gives me a chance to get out at break even, I'm just closing it.
Where's your break even?
260. Why do I keep saying 260?
I was gonna say
460.
Crap.
It's gonna take a miracle to pull. Well, it's still that's within the red zone of the regression channel, so maybe it'll get up there. Dang, it might want to start just kind of meandering down to the lows. Yeah, real estate, exactly. See, this is the problem when I let a trade get this far away from me, right? Then it's like the break even is so far away. You need like a miracle. Stupid.
Or you just gotta spack it a little bit more.
That usually doesn't work out. Yeah, Raphael, I wish I was short, but it's too late now.
It's never too late. I just wish I could see. I wish I could see the Nikkei and the Kospi, but they're closed for lunch.
What's Bookmap saying or doing over here?
HSI has come back pretty good. Went down and came back pretty good, but our markets are dumping.
Yeah. They ain't even playing.
Yeah, 9% of the time it works, 10% of the time you lose your account. That's a fact. That is a fact.
Mm-hmm. See you, Raj.
Yeah, they're trying to get me. Hey, see you tomorrow, Raj.
Real estate says, what's your plan? Hold it to the end?
Yep.
Oh, isn't that usually we get so far? That's that whole giraffe video, right?
I really wish I wouldn't have taken that one trade. That one trade sent me south a little bit.
Yeah. That's what happened too. That I didn't take that 275 and that triggered my stupidity. At least you're still in those micros though. That's probably a good setup.
You would think. Man, I keep finding myself wanting to get back long this. Good thing I didn't.
Ooh, they're still getting after it.
It was a low. What's the low of the day?
The New York,
325.
yeah. We just hit the New York low, 386.
Now look at the ES. ES is down at second deviation band.
Jeez.
So look, I was patient up here. I said, I want to see a pullback. And I didn't take the pullback. I just watched it go down and said, oh, let me go long.
NQ just tapped the first deviation band. I wonder if that's enough. Oh, I'm hearing buyers trying to get after it. Let's see. Let's see if they'll let me out of this stupid thing. Nope. Right back down.
All right, U.S. forces complete new strikes on Iranian military targets.
Jeez.
So we're done. We're done hitting now. That's 2 minutes ago.
Oh yeah, CENTCOM says targets hit across, including blah, 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 blah. I can't pronounce none of that stuff. Precision weapons. We use precision weapons against Iranian coastal defense, missile and drone locations, and maritime capabilities. I thought we already took all that stuff out a long time ago.
Oh, we just gotta win the war again.
Dang, these guys are really getting after. Okay, there's new. That's new session lows right there, right?
Nope.
Or
Nope, 325.
No. Why do I have a red line here? What is that? Oh, there, yeah.
We get down around 336. I'm gonna go along the NASDAQ.
$336.
Yeah, Trump wants 20% fee.
I'm almost kind of wishing I would have went short back when I was calling out that target down at 312.
You know, always in hindsight.
Uh-huh.
Hindsight's way easier.
Yeah.
So bad want to go along, but I don't want to have another loss.
Yeah. I don't blame you.
I don't want to lose.
Yeah, I'm on the minis real estate. It's not looking good. I let this thing get way out of hand. I kept telling myself, all right, you'll kill it at VWAP. Sure.
That's why you gotta have the hard stop in.
Yeah. Well, I did, but I kept moving it.
That's why I said hard. Can't move it. It just goes right back. We're below the second deviation band on the ES. I like that. I really do.
I mean, earlier I was saying if we get below VWAP and hold there, like if we retest it and then go down again, which we did, I said I was going to go short down to 312. I did not listen to my own plan.
Well, I mean, you're going to get it down to 312. You just won't. It'll be a red number instead of a green number.
Yeah.
I like where we're at in regression channel, man. We have a little bit of liquidity down here at 262. Yikes. Yeah, that's below the lows. Uh-oh.
Just ain't right. What's up?
It just ain't right. Yeah, 23 hours. As long as the market's open, we're streaming.
Boy, look at this 15-minute candle. That's a doozy.
Yeah. They're getting it. For sure. I'm really debating about smacking this. I feel like I'm just trying to get it back. No, I used to stream every night in the evening, real estate. I used to only stream Asia for the longest time. That's how Jesse actually met me.
Yeah, years ago.
It was just before they discovered dirt. I used to get off at 10 though. Am I gonna regret not getting long? Nope, not yet. Looks like that's a good decision not to push the button.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get down. Hey, we call for the pullback. I was just looking for a pullback to get long. That looks like wrong call. And now we might have went too far on that ABC, Jesse.
I think so.
If we see, we break 786. We're right there at it. Right there at the 786. So any much lower, any hopes of an ABC pattern up are done. Done. Any other levels down there at 250? Let's go look. What's that low right there? That's 325. No, I don't have any significant levels at 250. Really feel like we're gonna try to pop here. I'm not gonna be involved. I'm gonna be mad. I'm only gonna be mad if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm like, whew, good thing I didn't get in. Good thing. Cosby down another 3%. That Cosby was closed right here. Oh no, it's still moving. Wait, is that? Yeah, Cosby's still moving. So Nikkei is at lunch. And again, that's not good for our chips. Come on, Joker. Might go long here. We're gonna see if I regret this. If it just goes up a million gazillion points, I'll be good. Hey Tris, good evening. Yeah, but I really need to go up. Like really.
Yeah, me too.
Like super duper. Oh, look, I'm getting greedy here too. I keep moving my target up. I'm liking the chirp. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm hearing a bunch of volume-based sounds too. That's good. I don't know if it's going to produce a move big enough for my ass over here. Jeez. I need 460. Unbelievable. That was the dumbest thing I think
I should get out. It's a little extended away from EMAs. I feel like I'm going to regret that. It's a pretty straight leg. Above the EMAs, I should have taken off. I was like, I need to get more.
Hopefully now I can just ride this out. Now, hopefully that was the low, and now we just have some price action on the way back up.
Just rip
pullbacks. Yeah, pullbacks and more. Pullback more. Pullback more. Come on.
JD says, Jesse, greed is good. I've seen the movie. Gordon Gekko said so it's got to be true.
Yeah.
Come on. Need a little bit more. Come on, please. Pretty please.
Pretty please. Pretty please.
Let's go up there and hit my target. I think I'll be happy if you do. I'm closing it. I'm happy. Back up 918. I'm good with that.
Nice.
I think I could get more. I really wanted 1K on the night. I don't know if I'm going to get it. I really badly want 1K, but obviously not bad enough to
hold that.
Yeah. Because bubble gain on the second deviation band. Oh, you look over here on the ES BK. Yeah, look right there on the ES. Wow. Right there on the low of the day. And right here on the second deviation band. Smacked it.
Yeah, those sellers are now trapped. So as soon as their stops start getting hit, we should get a push up on the ES. We'll see.
Let's see if the Cosby's trying to push.
Stay Broke says I'll get 460. We'll see. We'll see.
How low do we go first?
Yeah, that's the problem.
Hey, so if you held through all this pullback, Jesse, you don't think it's worth it just to go for your original target?
Well, maybe. Well, hey, you know what's funny? As soon as we get back to my break even, I'll start convincing myself to do that, and then I'll regret it. That's the problem. That's the problem. BK,
Low is
good
in.
night.
Yeah, good night, BK.
The low's in. I hope so. I sure do hope so. Oh, no. Oh, they're trying to run it again.
Row. I'd like one more trade. One more trade for about $100. Little C note. Pick up a C note real quick.
That's a pretty fast scalp for you, man.
Well, that's if I get it right. No, I've never looked at EWY. Say Broke's like, take it. I want one more trade.
There you go. That would have been your $100.
Assuming I got a good fill on it.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm really, if we get oversold, if we can crash down real quick, get oversold. I think I'm gonna take a swing and hopefully I don't miss. Hopefully I don't regret it. I'd like to get 1K before the night, but
Blue Guardian prop firm. I've not heard of that.
I've heard of them, but I've never used them. I've heard that name. I don't know if they're futures or whatever, but I have heard that name. Got curious now.
Ooh, there they go, taking out the swing low.
Yeah, they are futures.
Dang. I think that 312 I was calling out earlier is in the cards. Wow.
I don't know, man. I really want to smack it, but I don't want a loss. So I'm kind of in a pickle. Hey, yes, is back down in the second deviation band. Right here. We smacked the ES. You know, I quit being scaredy pants, just hit the NASDAQ, get my quick $100 and run. That's all I want is another $100. I'll be good. Call it good.
See you, Chris. Hey, Mike, I'm going to go warm up some leftover dinner from last night. I'll be right back.
All right. See you later, Chris.
I got pasta.
Oh, yeah, I probably should have took it. I'm looking for one more trade. One more. That's it. One more. Well, one more winning trade. Let's be clear on that. And that would have done it right there. That would have been, all I needed was 5 points. That's definitely more than a 5-point move right there. Trying to flip the EMAs here. Let's see if they can get a little push up, like a little bull flag up. I'm going for a big target. You sucker. You sucker. Had it right there. Come on, a little bit more. Hmm. Come on, a little bit more. Just having a hard time getting it. Thought they should go work to the upside or to the downside. Come on. Come on. There we go. Woo. All right. Got it. Had to work for it. They made me work for it tonight. For sure. Jeez. More so than I wanted to. Yeah, it makes me happy. Well, it was only up 92 cents. If you guys haven't checked out the order flow video I put out today, it's in the pinned comment section right there in the chat. Click on it, give it a little bit of love, hit the like button, leave a comment. Help me out with the tubes. I do truly appreciate it. Oh, still chirping. For the upside, yeah, we do got a target on the ES I like. Right here, that point of control at 75, 64 and a half. I like that target. Hey, look where the ES is bouncing from again. Second deviation band. Again, same thing as up here. Second deviation band went back the other way. So, I like it. So we need to go all the way up here to 460 something. See if we can get Jesse out another 50 points higher. That'd be nice. Very nice. See if they want to keep on ripping it. Let's go. Yeah, 717. Yeah, he just ain't right. Tonight was a little bit harder for me, though. Made it a little bit more difficult than what it had to be. Jesse's going to be happy when he comes back from eating the pasta. Jesse should stay away. Jesse goes away, the market goes up. Oh, man. Watch him come back and then goes down. We're like, hey, what are you doing to the market? It's all Jesse's fault. And look, so NASDAQ's right now back near the VWAP. Right here, there's the VWAP right there by it. And we look at the ES. ES had that nice bounce off the second deviation band, almost back towards the VWAP. Need about another 3 points. Decent little area. Chirping noise is market pulse. It's correlated with the ES and NASDAQ. So when the meter gets above 81, you hear a chirping noise, pace in which your orders hit the tape. Below 81, be a knocking type of noise. Yeah, I like to use it at the time the exits or looking for a counter trend pops back the other way. And we're coming back up on the opening price too. Opening price target right there at 446 on the NASDAQ. So watch out for the VWAP touch on the ES. I'm liking it. Yeah, 460. Let's go. Let's let Jesse come back and be at 5 something. He'll be like, whoa, what did I miss? Hey, put a trade on, just leave more often. Do like NAVDA. If you ever read the book Flash Boys or Flash Crash, I don't know, something like that. With the White House tell Trump, pump the markets. Pump it up. Let's get it. Let's see, yes. Yes, well above that regression channel now. I like where he bounced from too. Not a bad location. I need to get up a little bit higher here. A little bit more. What time is it? 10:42. I'll tell him, JD. Yeah, ES still has a little bit more to go to hit that VWAP. VWAP's right around 75.50 on the ES. NASDAQ's over it. So VWAP's at 432 on the NASDAQ. We're over it just a little bit. Wish you didn't short the MES. Remember, if you're ever in a bad trade, you can always exit. So that little close button is for. We can simply exit the trade. On the ES, I've been really wanting that 64.5. Are we going to get it? I'm using NinjaTrader to place all my trades. I have 3 monitors. I have a 65-inch TV, 2 32-inch monitors. Yeah, Pasta's going to be even better for Jesse when he comes back now. He's going to be like, man, I need to leave more often. And watch that at 64.5 on the ES. He's going to be like, man, I need to go get Pasta more often. And let's see, is the Kospi also moving up? Yeah, Kospi's moving up pretty good now. Only down 63. Nikkei is going to reopen at 11:30. So So all 4 of the indices still in the red tonight. Let's refresh this. It's not really that hard to configure. Do you need a copy trader for all the different firms? Yeah, I have a copy trader that I use as well, but it works with the NinjaTrader platform. I can show you real quick. Let's see. So here's a trade copy I currently use. I think it's the best one on the market. This one I use every single day. Well, this gotta push it. Hey, not a problem. Got a 9 count here. Are we going to push back down again? Or are we going to be able to push up and out? ES did not get the 9 count where the NASDAQ did. Yeah, I've never used the Tradevate group feature. I know people have had a hard time and you can't copy the bracket orders and stuff. And Jesse's eating that pasta. He's probably saying a quick little prayer too. Please, please. Just go up a little bit more. I'll never do it again. Please. At least I'll never do it again while I'm in this trade. Then when it hits target, I knew it. I never doubted you for a minute. Oh, man. I really want that ES all the way up here to 64.5. Can we get it? Can we do it? I don't know. Yeah, VWAP needs a hole in the NQ. ES is almost at the VWAP, not quite. And I'm kind of curious, what about the Dow and the Russell in terms of the VWAP? Yeah, we're still below it on the Dow. RTY, we're right there at it, just barely above it. So walk around with his mini. Hey, probably. Hey, so when you're in a trade, you have to have one of those things that hold your phone out here automatically for you. You don't have to see it with your hands, so you can still do whatever and watch the markets. I think my mother-in-law got one for Christmas. She has neck problems and stuff, so it holds the phone out here so she don't have to go down like this. All right, 9 count trying to push the NASDAQ back down. Are we going to be able to flatten out this regression channel and maybe turn it back up tonight? Maybe. Maybe. Yes, never got above the VWAP yet. So yes, just chilling. And look, ooh, we got close to Jesse's 460. 456. Hey, there's no such thing as a stupid question. But yeah, you can trade on all the prop firms at night that I trade with. Starting at 6 p.m. at night, you can trade them until the next day. I try to be out around 4 o'clock or so, but some of them you have to be out. Like my funded futures, I got to be out by 4:10. Tradeify now, Lucid, you have to be out by 4:45. Take Profit Trader, I have to be out by 4:59. Same with Apex. Pulling ABC on the monthly. Let's go look. We'll check that out. Can we get a monthly ABC pattern on the NASDAQ? Monthly. Yeah, you could. So that monthly ABC pattern for me would be something like this. So target would be somewhere around 32,838. People out traders 455. I thought it was 459, Dan. You might be right. They might have changed it. Let's go look at that real quick. Let's see. Am I right or wrong? Let me log out. Sign out. Let's go look. FAQ. FAQ. Trading. Yeah, approved products during approved times. Where are the times? Trying to smack it right back down. Look, right off that 9 count, right off the upper regression channel. Changed it 10 days ago. Hermetic product list. Yeah, we'll see if he exited or not. Hopefully, if he did not, we go back up. Now, hey, so Take Profit Trader, Dan. Shows it right here. Says you can actually trade till 5 o'clock. Well, 5 o'clock, you can't exit a trade. Oh, TPT will automatically close positions at 4:55. All right, that's trading window. So I seen here, I didn't read down low enough. So, hey, Dan, you are correct. 4:55. It's good to know. Man, getting smacked down here. What about oil? That's a whole lot of selling going on. Let's go look at oil. Oil's trying to go up here a little bit. Nothing crazy. NASDAQ back down to being oversold. See the green background. Yeah, Tradeify and Lucid yet to be out by 4:45, but let's be real. If we're trading that late, it's probably not because we're having a good day. It's probably because we're hoping trying to get it back. So sometimes you just gotta rip that band-aid off. Oh, it was a recent change on TPT. Yeah, I mean, I'm usually not in the market that late anyways. If I am, I'm really swinging for a Hail Mary at that point. That was a pretty good little rejection back down. Now, what I wanted to be on the lookout for here, at least for Jesse's sake, if we can hold anywhere, if we can get a turn here, anywhere above that 786, then we have a potential ABC pattern up. If we break the 786, we're probably going all the way back down, making new lows. Or going back down towards these lows. That's not new lows. Well, sometimes after 4, you can get a little bit of, around earnings and stuff, you can get some movement. But 450, 445, you're just hoping and praying at that point. Please, please just come back. Please. That's all you're doing. Yeah, that's a pretty little nasty. Let's see if the Cosby took a dump. Yeah, Cosby direct down 156, 152. There's still a chance it pops back up. It's a small chance, but still a chance. Yeah, a lot of earnings tomorrow morning. And we have CPI coming out tomorrow too. So we got a lot. I want to say, do we get a little turn back from here? Or do we break that 786? We break the 786. Let's see, the ES break 786. ES is right there at it. So any lower on the ES, probably going all the way back down towards the low. Yep. ES going all the way back down to the low. NASDAQ's probably going to break. Well, let's see if the NASDAQ breaks at 786. And oil's up now, $1.46. So CL on the move up again. A little bit, just a little move up, nothing crazy. Bitcoin up 205. Interesting. Very interesting. Should it hold here? We'll see. If it doesn't, watch out. Order block at 410 to 412. Yeah, I'm not looking to catch this falling knife here at the moment. Let's see if we can hold that 786 area. If we hold above it, we have a shot going back up towards this high. And actually a little bit higher if we look at where the target would be. About 475. That'd be enough to get Jesse in the green. Jesse's still praying to the trading gods. Please, please work out, please. So you still got it going. We come down, we break that 786. We're going back down that low. Look, ES is getting ready to challenge that low right there. I'm sure he's watching it. Now, I'm not going to look at SK, but SpaceX, I wouldn't mind getting SpaceX. I want to see a little bit lower, though. I mean, my ideal would be somewhere $100 or less. I don't know if we get down that low, though. So I might start nibbling if we have some more down days. Try to buy it on the dip. Dip, dip, dip. Going back to the low, probably. Probably. Yes, it's sitting right there by the low. And so let's think about what's going to be the bullish catalyst to get the market up. Bank earnings coming out tomorrow morning. CPI. Yeah, I don't know. So Now's down 177. Yeah, Trump. Well, Trump can come out and try to talk the market out. Come up there and tell us we won the war again. We have an imminent deal to be signed at any moment. It'll be the best and most beautiful deal ever. Got a 9 count on the NASDAQ and on the ES. Interesting. Again, we still have the gap from Sunday night too. So normally we're going to fill that gap before Thursday's close at 5 p.m. Iran's going to be the 51st state. No, hey, Iran's got to be the 52nd state. We already have Greenland going to be the 51st. Oh, man. Hey, Robert, good night. I want to know Jesse got out of the trader if he's still in it or what. He got to know. Leaving us hanging in suspense. Yes, they're trying to break that low. We got 9 counts down here on the ES and NASDAQ. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, a big plate of pasta. Is this AI? Nah, Geo Trades, it's me. I know today we went a little bit crazy. Morning, afternoon, evening. Nuts. So we'll see. Jesse's gotten to throw up. He might have got out. We don't know. He could have got out. He's leaving us in suspense. How long has he been gone now? Yeah, I don't know how long he's been gone. He said he was. He's still, I see him still in the room. I don't see him, but he's still logged in. So I'm assuming he's coming back. Maybe he had to go get some tissues. He's in the bathroom crying. He's in the bathroom girl crying. Hopefully he's not having a violent episode. This stupid beep, beep, beep market. Oh, man. Crude oil, I feel like it's still trying to inch up here. Not liking that. Kospi's still coming down. I think when the Nikkei opens up here at 11:30, that's going to be a problem. That's going to be a problem. Hey, yes, just took out the lows. Got a bubble down here at the low. Who's biting on that? We're at the second deviation band. Ooh. Ooh. Not good. Not good. Huh. Yeah, 360. Hey, so what is the low on the NASDAQ? 325.75. Yes, already taking out the lows. Not good. Again, no bounces allowed. You know, we're down pretty much. Let's look at this real quick. Look, down last night. And we had a little pop there in London. Down New York. And we're trying to come down again, take out these lows. Oh boy. So liquidity on the NASDAQ, talked about this earlier, it's still there. 262 is the liquidity on the NASDAQ. ES, we talked about this liquidity way up here earlier, but we're not even nowhere by there. So on the ES, 75.05, which that's going to be about another 30 points lower, 32 points lower. So, yeah. Yeah, I wonder if. Oh, my headset's still on. Like, what if Jesse's been talking to us the whole time? We can't hear him. I'm not gonna lie, this ES make me want to jump on it, but it could be a spook order at 260. Oh, my headphones just shut off. Let's see. Yeah, he said to the moon. Let's see. Is the Kospi taking out the lows yet? Kospi's down 3%. Yeah. Kospi's getting ready to take out the low. And when the Nikkei opens back up, I think it's going to be ugly. HSI gap down. Came back up, filled the gap on the move back down. Nikkei is still at lunch. I think when Nikkei opens back up here at 11:30, we're going to be down below the low. So I do like the ES from this area. Oh, hey, so he just finished dinner. Woo. Man, that's one heck of a big dinner. Should have brought some for all of us. I'm hungry now. Lower level at 29,250. It might get ugly tonight. I mean, we got CPI coming out tomorrow too. Tomorrow morning at 8:30. We have the earnings coming out tomorrow morning. It's gonna be a fun one. I'll make sure my headset is actually on. Yeah, it's still on. They can't hear you. They can't hear you. All right. Oops. All right. Now they can hear you. Jesse's back.
All right. I'm back. I'm back.
Yeah. Tell us about this big old dinner you just had. You're gone. You're gone for like an hour.
No.
It was a long time.
No.
All right.
That
Maybe
had to have been 10 minutes. Come on.
Definitely was not. Hey, we can prove it wasn't 10 minutes. Hey, because up here we're like, man, I wonder if Jesse got out.
No.
Hey, that was at 44. So that's at least 20 minutes ago. And you got out before up there. Yeah. Look, we almost, oh wait, that's the ES. Hold up. NASDAQ right up here. We made it almost to your 460.
I know. I'm looking at, so this is.
We're trying to figure out, did he get out?
No,
did he get out? I'm
going to go back to the trade statistics, the numbers, the exports, all that work I've done and Mike helped me with originally. So, 3% of the time.
Oh, man. Oh, I know what he did already.
So, yeah. So it almost got, before I went to go warm up my dinner, I put a target right at my break even. Just get me out of this if I'm gone when it happens, right? It missed me by, I don't know how many ticks that is. It's very close. Let's see. I mean, literally 456 and my target was at 459.50. So, okay, 3 points. Missed me by 3 points and just friggin' blew up my accounts down there on that dropout.
So you added to it. It blew up because you added.
Yeah, I added. Yeah, for sure.
How many did you get up to?
3. 3 minis, folks. 3 minis is all it takes.
What price did you add at?
I'm confused though because I was already up.
Because 460 to. You had to add way close up there by your entry.
Yeah, that's that same mistake I always make. You're like, hey, if you're gonna add, don't add. But if you're gonna add, wait till you're down $1,000. Jesus.
Like you couldn't have been down much. I'm doing the math for what you're up tonight in the drawdown. That's...
Yeah, I was up $840, but this is weird because
I thought you're up. I had the 3,000 number in my head from today or whatever you're up. Yeah, that's what I had. Okay. I
did $4,300 on these accounts this morning, folks. Unbelievable.
Hey, stay broke. I like the MES micro better than the MNQ right here, but I still don't. We're still just dropping. I want to wait till a second deviation band before I start along.
Yeah, I mean, I'm really liking that 312 I've been calling out all night. It's like right down there. And I don't know why I didn't listen to myself.
Yeah, oil's on the slow grind up.
Yeah. Real estate. Yeah, I hate it. It's like, I don't know.
Were you in here on my last trade that put me over the 1K? Or
no, but I was watching out of the corner of my eye when I was eating. I saw you in a trade. At least one of us is doing okay tonight. Jeez,
it wasn't easy though. I mean, I still took some losses, but man, oh man. Well, hey, I only plan on staying on until 11. I want to hear. We all want to hear what happened with your trade. Did he get out? So I guess the answer is he did get out.
Yeah. I added to it. It ripped up, and this drop got me. So I should have closed it. Hey, let's be fair. I'm going to be honest. Even if I was sitting right here managing this trade and it got that close to my break even, who would vote that I would have actually closed it? No, because you guys, I'm sure we've all been there before, right? At that point, you're rooting for at least a little bit of green, So my fault. I got stupid. My fault.
Man.
That's my pattern. Like I'll be on a tear for a while, getting payouts, doing good, blah blah blah, and then stuck in this loop. I'm stuck in the death loop, the blue screen of death.
Oh boy.
So okay, so Mike's over a K. Good job, dude. And we got 187 people here. Did everybody hit the like button? Let's give Mike a like.
No, they did not.
Let's hit the like button, people. Come on.
Well, hey, I'm actually getting ready to get off. I was planning on getting off at 11.
Yeah.
So I'm probably going to get off. So tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, hopefully you guys will come back and join me. So I did 3 streams today. That's crazy.
Heck yeah.
I don't think I've ever done 3 streams.
First time for everything. All right. Well, everybody, thanks for living through my suffering with me tonight. You see, it happens to all of us. So
Man.
That's all right. I'll get up to bat again. Actually, you know what I think I'm going to do is take a few days off and come back swinging on Monday. That'd be smart. I don't want to spend more money.
Monday. Tomorrow's only Tuesday.
I know. Jeez, do you think I'll have convulsions? Withdrawals.
We're still just grinding now, man. I wonder how bad it's gonna be when we wake up in the morning.
I think we're hitting 312. I've been calling that out all
we're
night.
We're coming up on the low of the day right now.
Look at this. This is crazy. I can't believe I didn't just get short earlier when I was talking about this. Oh, dang.
Shoot. All right. So hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. And we'll see how the CPI data comes out tomorrow. Good, bad, and differ. Hopefully we survive tomorrow. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight. If you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. I do appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Take care.